Today we're going to show you how to install mirrors on a motorcycle the proper way. Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements. Today we're going to install these mirrors on a metric bike, and this will apply to any other style bike as well, including adapters and whatnot. So we purchased for this client a set of aftermarket mirrors, and these are typically used on Harley Davidson because it's got the 5/16 thread on here, 5/16 coarse thread, and typically they'll supply you with a bolt like this or a shorter one like this depending on the application. So they'll screw in here with the 5/16 thread. These are metric adapters. They come with 5/16 thread at this end and M10 by 1.25 fine thread at this end for mounting on the bike. Now on most bikes they will come with the right hand thread for every bike except Yamaha. Yamaha chose to go with a left hand thread on the right hand side, so you'll have to get the appropriate adapter for the Yamaha. So if you have a Yamaha, make sure you get one right hand thread and a left hand thread adapter, and you can continue as we install these mirrors. Now what we typically do is take the adapter apart. This is normally screwed onto here as you get the adapter. We're going to use some blue Loctite. We've got some blue Loctite here. Apply a dab on these threads. Screw it in here. Now, there are two little flats on this adapter, and it is a 9mm wrench that goes onto it. So we're going to screw this in, and I've applied Loctite on here because I want this on really tight. We'll get to the other 10mm end in a little while. So I'm just going to remove that for now. So get this on really tight as you want without stripping it. There we go. And now we can install this 10mm nut. In this particular case it's a right hand thread, so it goes on easy this way, and you can bring it up as far as you want, because this is going to be a lock nut that locks up to the handlebar control. So we're going to screw on right hand thread here. Remember, left hand thread for Yamahas. And we're going to move over here. This nut is a 14mm nut. So we're going to, proper way to do it is to screw in this in all the way up. And then we're going to thread this on, no Loctite this time. And we're just going to swivel this mirror until we bottom, just about bottom out. See there, it's touching, it's bottoming out. I don't like the angle of this, so I'm going to just back this off a little, one turn, and I'll line up this just slightly at an angle from the handlebar so that we can adjust the mirror afterwards. But now this is where we need to screw this down, and we'll get with a 14mm holding this in place, and we don't want to loosen this off the 5/16. There we go. So this is tightened up now and good to go. And never move this arm to adjust your mirror. If you want to adjust this arm, loosen up this lock nut, and then you can adjust the arm and then tighten up this lock nut. Hey Panda, you want to be on TV? Say hello to everybody. Where's Greg?
Hey Panda. Your shop manager's giving his approval.
And there you have it. And that's the proper way of tightening it up. So this will ensure that the 5/16 thread stays tight up against the arm of the mirror. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see other videos like this, and give us a like. We'll catch you in the next one.